Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see how to delete Tinder account permanently using your mobile phone. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's move forward as a mobile screen. So now let's start as a mobile screen. Simply first of all open your Tinder application. Here is my Tinder application. So simply click here your profile picture and look at this. My profile is 100% completed. Now I want to delete this Tinder account. Simply click here setting option. Inside the setting option, scroll down here entire informations are available of yours. You can see, go back, and here delete account informations are available. I just simply delete, push my account or delete my account. So I simply delete my account. So you can select one of the option here, which option you want select. I don't like Tinder, other, something is broken, I want fresh start, I need a break from Tinder. So you just simply select here I need a break from Tinder and just simply delete the account and your account is deleted. It's very simple process. If someone are looking or searching you, your data and photographs is not available on Tinder now you are free of the Tinder application. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.